In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create printable lined paper in PowerPoint. Now, this is a super simple process, and it will only take about 5 minutes to complete. It's perfect when you need quick note-taking sheets or handouts with lines to jot things down during meetings or lectures. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your computer is up and ready. Head over to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Windows icon. This will bring up your Start menu. From here, you'll want to locate Microsoft PowerPoint and launch it. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you have the option to either open an existing PowerPoint presentation that you might want to convert or create a brand new one. Don't hesitate to add any photos, tables, or other content that you think might be relevant to your presentation or handouts. With your presentation open, let's move to the next step. It's time to navigate to the File menu, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and look for the Print option. This is where the magic happens. In the Print Settings window, you'll notice a few drop-down menus and options to choose from. One of the most important ones for us today is labeled as either Print What or Full Page Slides, depending on the version of PowerPoint you're using. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal various printing formats. From the available options, select Handouts. This format is perfect for creating sheets with lines, and you can further customize how it's laid out on the page. Now, here's a great tip that will save you a lot of time. From the layout options, choose to print 3 slides per page. When you select this option, you'll notice that it automatically includes lines on the side for each slide, turning your printout into a perfect note-taking sheet with spaces to jot down thoughts and annotations. This feature is particularly handy for slide presentations, where you want to encourage note-taking during a talk or lesson. Once you're satisfied with these settings, there's just one more step. Go ahead and hit the Print button. Your lined paper handouts will start printing, ready to be used immediately. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create printable lined paper using PowerPoint. It's ideal for anyone looking to create custom handouts for classes, meetings, or personal projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Happy printing!